Welcome to the first part of our Matrix journey. In this video, we'll get comfortable with the interface, explore the main toolbars, and take a tour around the Perspective View and Layers panel. It's all about getting familiar with the workspace, so you'll feel confident as we move forward. Let's start building the foundation for your jewelry design skills. Matrix is a 3D design software made especially for jewelry designers. It's built on Rhino, but adds powerful jewelry-specific tools that make modeling gemstones, settings, rings, and more much easier. Whether you're just starting out or working professionally, Matrix helps you bring your jewelry ideas to life with precision and style. Think of the toolbar in Matrix as your creative toolbox. It's got everything you need: tools to sketch, shape, decorate, and fine-tune your jewelry ideas. Whether you're building a simple ring or designing a complex pendant, the toolbar helps you bring your design to life step by step. The Perspective Viewport in Matrix gives you a realistic 3D view of your design. It's where you can freely rotate, zoom, and pan around your model to see it from every angle. This view helps you understand the depth, proportion, and spatial relationships of your piece, making it easier to catch design issues early and visualize how your jewelry will look in real life. Let's take a look at the Perspective View. It's where your designs come to life in 3D. To better understand how we move and build in space, we'll also explore the C-plane construction plane, which helps you work more accurately in each view. There are 4 main viewports in Matrix. Top, for viewing your design from above. Front, to see it from the front. Right, for the side view. Perspective, to see and work in full 3D. File management tools in Matrix. New start a brand new project. Open load an existing project file. Import. Bring in files or elements from other designs. Save your current project. Save as. Save a copy of your project with a new name or location. And don't worry, I'll show you how each of these works in the video. is like your design organizer. It helps you keep different parts of your model separate, like gems, metal, guides, or sketches. You can hide, lock, rename, or color each layer to stay in control and keep your workspace clean and easy to manage. Next video, Drawing Geometric Shapes plus Intro to Curves in Matrix. Part 1. Geometric Shapes. Drawing lines, rectangles, circles, ellipses, snaps for example, end, mid, center, near. Part 2. Curve Tools. Polyline versus Freeform Curve. Control Point Curve. Understanding control points. INTERPCRV interpolated curves. Arc tools start and point, center-based, fillet curves, smooth connections, extend, join, explode curves. Two giants, one choice, Matrix Navi versus MatrixGold. 1. Software base. Matrix 9 is built on Rhino 5, while MatrixGold runs on Rhino 7, offering a more modern foundation. 2. User interface. Matrix 9 has a classic UI with traditional toolbars. MatrixGold uses a modern ribbon-style interface. 3. Parametric history. MatrixGold supports parametric history, allowing you to edit design steps. Matrix 9 uses direct modeling without history tracking. 4. Performance and system compatibility. Matrix 9 works more smoothly on older systems. MatrixGold is optimized for newer, more powerful computers. 5. Learning curve. Matrix 9 is easier to learn for users familiar with Rhino. MatrixGold may take more time to get used to, especially for beginners. 6. Tools and features. Both have professional jewelry tools, but some legacy tools in Matrix 9 have been removed or redesigned in MatrixGold. 7. UI customization. Matrix 9 allows more customization of the workspace due to its classic structure. MatrixGold is more structured and less flexible. 8. Integration with other software. MatrixGold integrates better with Rhino 7, Grasshopper, and sub-D modeling. Matrix 9 lacks this level of integration.